one that's down right there?
I don't have a tail on. I wasn't expecting you to get out of the car.
You left your tail at home.
Yeah. I left my legs at home.
Watch out for the mud straight in front of you. It's like a swamp.
I see it.
Come closer to the tree. You're gonna go right in it.
I can see it.
Come closer to the tree.
Feel muddy.
It's gonna be muddy, but that was like a river.
Don't try this at home.
I think you got a scream out the window from someone.
Making sure it's solid. There's holes in it.
Yeah, it might make some good video, but I'm gonna go to the ER because there's corona. You better be careful. I do not want to go to the ER.
There could be something in there.
Something in there alive or what?
I don't know. It would make a good home.
Well, there's holes like that.
And small holes.
There could be. It's a real pretty tree. Part.
Okay, I want some pictures up here now that I'm up here.
Don't get a splinter in your hoo-ha.
Should I go to the middle?
What?
Should I go to the middle?
Yeah. Looks like you're in the middle.
No, the middle's over here.
You looked a little unsure there for a moment.
I am unsure. I'm going downhill.
Well, if you had your legs on, you'd have a lot of padding.
At least I'm not that high off the ground now. I am literally gripping this tree trunk with my thighs.
You'd make a good horseback rider.
I have ridden horses before.
I used to own horses. I don't know about going down to the water's edge because it's muddy and then you're in there and we might fall in.
I want to still see if I can.
I think it's too high up from right here. Oh, you're knocking the bark off. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, you're knocking all the bark.
Ha!
Should I take a picture now?
Yeah.
I was trying to get there in time. Don't fall in the creek.
You're going to have to help me down from here.
You might have to jump.
Yeah. I'm going to need a hand with that.
Can you turn around and sit sideways?
I'm trying. How far up am I?
Not very, about 2, maybe 3 feet. No, about 2.
I should be able to make that down.
I can hold your hand or paw.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Now? Okay, do a pull-up.
I can't. This is what you're getting.
It's a picture. I was gonna do film. You can't pull yourself up like a...
No, it's too thick.
Okay. I'm a filming. I said I'm a filming.
It's supposed to be a picture.
I'm filming. You want me to take a picture?
Oh, well.
What about this big root laying here?
What?
That big root over there.
What?
That big root.
You want me to walk there?
Yes. No, I want you to fly there. It's warm out here, isn't it?
Yeah. I would say it's warm. I'm in for.
I'm warm and I'm not that. Do pictures now?
Pictures.
I was filming.
Okay.
I don't know what you're doing.
I was posing for a picture, but
Your foot's about to go in the water. You better be careful. I'm telling you. That's close enough.
I'm trying to turn around.
I want this giant boat.
It doesn't look too deep.
Yeah, but the thing is, you're gonna get soaking wet.
It's hot out here.
Yeah, but your fursuit's gonna get all dirty and wet. And possibly float away.
It's not gonna float off
There's a
my
current.
body.
I did it.
There's good paw holes.
I did it. So big. But you don't.
I like your flower crown. Her flower crown.
It would be a nice place for a cosplay photo shoot.
It would. And this is one of the first times I filmed you. I didn't complain about weather.
I want to come back and cosplay with Alex.
Usually it's too hot or too cold or raining and I'm complaining all the time. Now just saying don't fall in the water.
It's time to go for a ride. I haven't left the house in a week. So, there's hair in my
I'm
eye.
sanitizing because I just touched the UPS mail.
There's hair in my eye. It's cool.
Cry out there on TV. Ouch!
I got my boyfriend. I got my boyfriend with me. I got my arm sleeves on. I haven't worn arm sleeves with him yet.
I got my bear me.
Okay.
I'm going to have Burger King.
Ooh. I'm holding on to Kirishima.
Woo, the wind is a blowing. It might blow your head off.
It's not going to blow my head off. I'm holding on to Kirishima.
Oh, my hair
though.
around. Woo, doggies. You can't see where we're going to take a trip.
Yes, I can. Why is my window up?
I didn't roll it up. I just rolled up a little because I couldn't see.
I
You
want to
just stick your
my
head out
nose
the
out.
car like a dog.
Fresh air, people! Not house air!
The house there is clean. Clean from Corona.
I wonder what people think seeing me go by.
I can't look at their reaction because I'm driving. Boy, I'm doing 40.
The man did look at me weird.
He is looking still. He probably doesn't believe what he.
He's still looking. He's still looking.
I didn't get the beach drive. You should get out and run around.
I mean, it would be the woods. It would still be social distancing.
Yeah, I mean, no one's gonna be 6 feet to you.
Yeah, film me out in the woods. I got Kirishima with me.
Have bear me with me.
Kirishima's taking a drive, but I don't really want to hold him up because of the window.
He won't fall out.
Yeah, I don't know that.
Oh, here's 3 people all together.
There we go.
It's busy here on the beach drive. I don't know if they're gonna cross or not. I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, just don't give us corona.
Oh, here's a gang of people in the woods here.
We ain't trying to get no corona.
Just trying to get out of the house a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm out anyway, walking some dogs periodically. There's a lady walking a dog.
I'm just having fun, having my suit out. He had a bath after Furthermore, so he's good and clean and ready to go. I washed all my suits after Furthermore, so yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of people on bikes. It's nice to see people, because in my travels I don't see anybody. Oh,
I'm trying to keep my head down so it looks good in the camera.
it's not safe to stop. Now we gotta stop because there's bicyclists crossing the street. Too many damn bikes out today.
Everyone wants to be out today because it's nice out.
Well, it's been a week since we've been quarantined.
Yeah. We have been in quarantine for 1 week and counting.
We gotta think people driving, riding bikes and stuff does not have it, or else they wouldn't have the lung capacity to keep it up.
Yeah, that's true.
Although they could be just beginning to get it, or a carrier. I can't pass them. There's nowhere I can see. The road's too squiggly.
Yeah. Squiggle Road.
Have you ever noticed when people are on bicycles, all you see is their butts? It's right at eye level.
Yeah.
They could at least put a pattern on their butt for something to look at.
Yeah.
Crap, they're going our way. I said, get on the path. The path is right next to
Yeah,
them.
there's a bike path
And
they're
they're
right
on
there.
the road, and they did not stop for the stop sign like they're supposed to.
No. Bikes are supposed to follow the laws of the road.
Yep. I don't want to follow them all the way down Beach Drive. They could at least get on the sidewalk.
I feel wind on my finger through my paw.
You are the wind beneath my wing.
You are the wind between my fingers. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but my fur on my arm is blowing everywhere.
That was fun. You're not supposed to be at parks where people are.
Yeah.
But no kids are. Just somebody sitting there after
Yeah.
jogging or something. Lots of people are out. It's beginning
No
to look like the
one's
Wild
out
West.
on the equipment. The whole place was beginning to be a ghost town.
Now I know where we are up until this bump.
Okay.
Nature light. I wonder if you can go to the nature center.
Probably not.
It's muddy right now.
That house looks really cool.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my god, here's another terrible bump. This is fun. They've taken part of the road there. Still got these damn bumps in here though. Am I allowed to say that?
Yes. My channel's not for kids, so you can cuss as much as you want.
Okay.
Although that also gets flagged not suitable for advertisers. I am $2, not even that, $2 or $1.35 away from getting my money.
What does that mean? You have to get a certain amount?
Yeah, you have to reach a $100 limit before you get sent your money from YouTube. I'm at $98.75.
I don't know where we're going. La 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 la.
Y'all, don't try this if you don't think your paw is going to stay on.
What?
I stabbed my hand out the window.
Well, if your paw's loose, you shouldn't do it.
I know my paw is going to stay on.
Here is places to park. Look, my own places to park to go walking around in here.
You can see how hard it's blowing my hand back too. I can literally feel the wind.
Sherrill Road, but I don't know what that means. I have no idea where we are. It didn't say welcome to DC or anything. I'm thinking we're still in Maryland. Here's a nice place to park. Look, right by the creek.
Ooh.
And tables to sit and have a picnic. What's that mystery? I thought it was a snake, but it was a stick. credit. 1, 2, 3.
I caught the bear.
Catch the bear meat. Don't eat him! No, don't hurt him. Don't hurt the bear meat. Okay. Don't hurt the bear meat. I thought you were throwing him. Oi!
Whack!
Fuzz is coming off of him or you, I'm not sure. Okay. I can say bear meat is hanging around. Okay. I wasn't ready. You're hurting him. That was fun till I got hurt.
Getting ready for Animal Crossing.
Be nice to bear meat. He's very delicate.
My Animal Crossing comes today.
Okay, little bear meat. You're alright.
I love this suit so much. I have arm sleeves. These were Susan's arm sleeves, by the way.
Oh, you
They-
got part of Joy.
Yeah, because they wouldn't fit anyone else. So they are specifically sized to me because I took them in. So I kept the arm sleeves when I sold Joy, and they fit the exact color of Katsuki.
Oh, cool. You still got part of Joy.
That was on purpose, by the way. I specifically created Katsuki to use the same fur so I could use these arm sleeves.
Stay inside. We're safe.
This boy's going for a car ride. Y'all, practice good social distancing because of Corona. We're not going out into public, and we're not going for a walkie, but we're going for a car ride so we can look at the cherry blossoms.
You can go for a walk in the woods.
Yeah, in the woods away from everyone.
So the
Social
parks are
distance.
closed today.
Huh.
To certain
I have
people's
not left the
houses.
house. You know what's sad is when quarantine takes effect and you have to like isolate yourself in your house and your daily routine doesn't change. That's sad.
That's like Jonathan. He don't do nothing different either. Goes for his walk.
My daily
sometimes.
routine didn't change. I never leave the house. Oh well.
You need some. It's so nice out. It's going to be 80 degrees. That means you want to stick your head out the window.
Not really.
Suppose it blows your head off.
It's not gonna. This head's not coming off.
It's 73 degrees right now.
And if y'all wonder why I'm filming right now when we're not really doing anything, I will film on the car ride. I'm running out of videos, so this may perhaps be the last video for a while because of Corona, because I can't leave the house and I can't interact with people. So
You could wearing that. Because nothing can get through it, can
it
it?
can get through the mouth.
Keep your mouth closed. Then you can't breathe.
No. So this might be the last video going up on my channel for a while. It just depends on if I think of things to do while I'm at home. Maybe I'll try and think of like Corona things to do.
Can you do a cartwheel with that on?
Probably. But that would require me knowing how to do a cartwheel out of suit.
Today is Hufflepuff Pride Day. Did you know that?
Well, I'm a Gryffindor, so who cares?
Little Walter is wearing his Hufflepuff outfit. I love
See,
little Walter.
Doing a cartwheel in fursuit requires me to know how to do a cartwheel out of fursuit.
Oh, this little avocado pillow is at a wedding. See, people are crazy like me,
I got you.
taking their avocado.
I got you. Yeah. Social distancing. When you can't hug humans, hug your cat. Even if she doesn't like it. No cats are harmed in the making of this. She could get up if she really wanted to. I'm not really holding her that tight.
She
Yeah.
is a Bengal, and that's the way Bengals are.
Yeah. You could get up if you wanted to. But
But
I
she
think you're
sounds like
comfy
a
right
cat
now.
because when she growls at at Daisy, she sounds like a big cat.
She wasn't flicking her tail until the dog barked, so.
She might think she's behind her. That looks good. Is that an earthquake?
Hi. Meh, meh, meh.
She is pissed. Oh, can I say that on the air? Here comes the big cat noises. Look out.
Aw. Bye. That was because I stuck her head in my mouth.
Lord, why'd you do that?
It didn't hurt her. It's foam. Finally got to go out after a whole week of being stuck in the house, and so yeah, and 2 weeks since I first suited, so I finally got my energy out. Like I said, this is probably the last video until Corona dies down, because I don't know when we're gonna get another chance to do anything or go out or whatever, unless I think of stuff to do at home. But like I'm home and I don't have like any other fursuiters with me, so I don't have any other cosplayers.
But I'm filming.
Yeah. So, hopefully see you sooner, but if not, see you after Corona.